Hi guys, sorry for introducing the video being this messy. I am currently editing this particular vlog, and I realized that my vlog doesn't have an intro and an outro. I just started the vlog without doing an intro, which is so weird. So this is me here doing an intro. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back, and as you can see by the title below, it is a weekly vlog slash vloggy vlog slash if it is in my live vlog or whatever you may call it, as long as the vlog part is in there, period. So please subscribe to my channel. Oh my god, I haven't done this in a very long time. This vlog, yeah, like weeks back, but this is just me saying I'm back. I've been on a break. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and become a part of the family. And if you are a returning, hey boo, thank you for stopping back by. All right, so let's just get straight into the video, period. Oh, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell your friends to like my video, to share my videos, to subscribe to my channel, and all of that, period.
Your cries, they can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Oh yeah, baby.
Take some time just to get back and forth. That I had days full of you before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
Don't you love when I come around? Fill you up, then I take you down. Don't you love when I come around? Build you up, then I
Whip, body, whip, got it, drive on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give your all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but wait, take a picture.
Seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some ice, but you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I should've keep from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I'll wave my arm, won't feel it and smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, good days in my mind. Help me on my fears, my limitations. I disappear if you let me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone now. Ooh, way to dip, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit, can't do it, baby, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. I can't keep from losing the rest of me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you babe, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Gonna make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, think he was holding me. To the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I'll wave my arm, I'll feel it and smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Sunny inside, good days in my mind.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it, my mind, and my body. My body says it, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last till my body's so. Hi guys, today is the next day and I am at spa with my siblings. We came here to run
not run errands, but like buy food that we will need for today's dinner. So yeah.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body.
Hi guys, today is the next day and we are going out for lunch. I want to show you guys my fit of the day. Hair from the same hair. What's it called? A band or bandana, but it's not a bandana. Band from H&M. Shades from Mr. Price. So let me show you guys the fit of the day. Okay guys, so this is the fit of the day. I got this set from Foschini. My bag is from Colette. My jewelry, I don't know where the watch is from. It was a gift. And this is how it looks like. Oh, please focus here. And I got the bracelet from Foschini as well. And I'm wearing my, what are these called? Dunk lows. Yes, my Nike dunk lows. So this is the fit of the day. I want to show you guys my baby's fit of the day. Me and him are kind of matching. My baby's fit of the day, he's wearing a set from Woolies. It's a sweater and sweatpants like mommy, as well as these shoes.
Hi, my name is Kopano and I'm gonna tell you where I got my outfit from.
Okay. Top.
My sweater is from Adidas.
Yes.
My leggings are from Adidas.
Yes.
And my shoes are from Lacoste.
Ooh, where's the bag from?
And my bag is from Country.
Ooh, period, honey.
Yeah.
Hi guys, my name is Cut. Hi guys, my name is Bonalo and I'm gonna tell you guys where I got my outfit. I got my shoes from Gucci.
Wait, let's see the shoes.
These
Shoes, turn around, let's see the shoes. Ooh, period.
These pants from Foschini. The top from Mr. Price. And the jacket.
Where's your bag from?
And the bag from Cotton On.
Ooh, child.
The pearls from Luvisa, same as the bracelet.
Period. Okay, tell us about your outfit. Hi, mom. Shirt from where?
It's not a shirt, it's a dress.
Shirt dress, obviously, mom.
Poetry. Gucci.
Yes.
Gucci.
Yes.
Gucci.
Yes. Period.
Just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know this shit. Know this shit. Know what it is.
right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, you don't know where to be found as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you hiding the hate, I see you looking for someone to scoop you right off your feet. You wanna ride in the rave, you wanna go out on dates, you want somebody to come bring you flowers, someone to talk to for hours, wash your back while y'all sit in the shower, someone to tell you you're beautiful, someone to tell you and mean it, someone to tell you I love you every day and don't got a reason. Want someone to bring you peace, someone to help you sleep, someone to pick you up when you're feeling down, feeling lonely, somebody who can make it better, somebody who can open up those gates, open up those gates to your heart. Only it's your life. I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd and you know where to be found as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you looking for peace. I see you tired of the hurt, tired of the pain, tired of the nights where you can't get no sleep. I see you tired thinking about if you cheat, see you tired thinking about if you're leaving, see you tired of being so tired, you damn sure ain't getting even. Somebody who can make it better, somebody who can open up those gates, open up those gates to your heart. Only it's your life. I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd and you know where to be found as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. Without you, and though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get the strength to leave you, always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me. Then it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna
Hi guys, today's the next day and we are going to the mall again. So I am gonna show you guys my fit of the day. Alright, cool. So my fit of the day, as I mentioned on yesterday's video, this is from H&M. Jewelry, Foschini, watch, I don't know. This denim dress, I got it from, what's this, Cotton On last year. Bag, Colette, shoes, Dunk Lows, and this will be me for today, period. See the hair.
The way that you talk and the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you, wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind to go. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci vibe or the Fendi, 'cause she give me butterflies in my belly.
Okay guys, so this is the end of the vlog. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please share the video, comment down below, tell your friends to like my video, to share my video, to subscribe to my channel, and all of the sweet things in between, period.
Baby, if my word is running, baby, she gon' save me, 'cause she give me butterflies in my belly.